Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you on how to start importing from China with 1688 and pinduoduo Chinese shopping app without any stress. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, or pinduoduo, or Fish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, or you want me to fund your Alipay, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China using 1688 and how to import from China using pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to start importing from China with 1688 and pinduoduo. A very easy tutorial. Okay, so the very first thing I'm going to do is to open up my pinduoduo shopping app. So I'm going to click on here to open my pinduoduo shopping app. Then after you open up your pinduoduo shopping app, then the next thing you need to do is to search for an item. And basically there are different ways to search for an item on pinduoduo shopping app. One of the first ways to search for an item is to make use of camera icon right here, which stands for image search. What you do here is to upload the picture of the item you are looking for. Then you are going to see a similar result. Another way to search for an item on pinduoduo shopping app is to type the keyword of the item into the search engine right here. Then you will be able to see similar result as far as the sourcing is concerned. Alternatively, you can begin to scroll down like this and look for the right item that you will love to purchase. Having gotten a right item to purchase, next thing you need to do is to simply click on the product link. All right, having clicked on the product link, it takes you to this particular page right here, and this is where you need to favorite the product or add the product to cart. You can also scroll down and look for the product picture, just like what I'm doing right here. So the next thing you want to do here is to simply click on here to add the product to cart. So having added the product to cart, let's check on another store and add an item to cart. Alright, from this store here, I need just one item here also. Next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to add it to cart. Okay, so let's check on another store and see how we can add more item to cart. Alright, so from this store here, I need one pieces of this hanger. So what I need to do is to simply click on here. Alright, having had all the items to cart, next thing I need to do is to exit from here, and exit from here. Next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to view my profile. So next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to view my cart. So we have all the item right here. So this is the first, second, and third. Alright, so next thing I need to do is to click on here to select each of the item. So I'm going to buy this, I'm going to buy this, I'm going to buy this. Alright, so next thing I need to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. So from the preview right here, so you have to make sure that your Alipay is selected. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here to proceed to payment. Then I'll enter my payment password. Payment done successful. Next thing I need to do is to click on done. And I need to click on here to close this bump up. Then I have to go back to my profile. By the time I refresh my profile, the three items I just purchased is going to be found right here. So let's check them out. Here we go. So this is the first one, second one, and the third one. Okay, so let's exit from pinduoduo shopping app and head over to 1688. So right here, I'm going to open my 1688 shopping app. So the next thing we want to do now is to source for an item on 1688. So similarly, we can use the same method of sourcing item from pinduoduo in the same way as 1688. Okay, now after you have sourced for an item, next thing you want to do is to add the item to cart. So this item right here, I need to add it to cart, and for me to add the item to cart, I will simply click on here. Then I have to scroll down and look for the color and the size I want. So I need this color right here, just one piece. So I will just click on here to add one. Then I'll click on here to add it to cart. So let's check on another store and see how we can add multiple items to cart on 1688. All right, from this store here, I also need one quantity of an item here. So I'll simply click on here to add the item to cart. So I need this color right here, just one piece. I'll click on here to add one. Then I'll click on here to add it to cart. Next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to check out my cart. So from the cart here, this is the first one and this is the second one. Next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to select the item. I'm going to click on here to select the second one. Then I'll click on here to proceed to checkout. From the checkout right here, I'll simply scroll down, and the next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here to proceed to payment. Then I click on here to confirm my payment, then enter my payment password. Payment done, successful, as you can see right here. Next thing I need to do is to simply go back to my profile, and for me to go back to my profile, I'll have to click on here, then click on back, then back. Then for me to visit my profile, I need to click on here. By the time I refresh my profile, the item we just purchased is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So we have the first one here and we have the second one right here. So this is how to start importing from China with 1688 and pinduoduo, a very easy tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about importation business. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba or pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.